Hello everyone, I'm Avani Katare of class 8th from Common Senior Secondary School, BHL Bhopal. Today I'm going to demonstrate how do we derive the formula of the area of the circle. I'll be using the cutting and pasting method for this purpose. We're just going to need a sheet of paper, a pencil, a ruler, a pair of scissors, and a compass. It's going to be a really interesting activity, so let's begin. First of all, we'll draw a circle of any radius, let's say 7 centimeter. Like this, and after drawing it we have to cut this circle. After cutting it will look like this. Then we will fold this circle into a semicircle, then into a quarter, we will fold this 2 times again so that it turns into a sector. Like this. Now after folding it we will unfold it, and as you can see we got 16 individual sectors. Now we will color 8 sectors of orange color or any other color you like, and the rest 8 sectors of some other color. I've used orange and blue color. You can take any color. And after coloring it we have to cut these sectors. After cutting they will look like this. Now we will take a sector of any color and cut it into 2 equal parts. Like this. Now we will arrange these sectors into an alternative manner to form a rectangle. Like this. You can take any color of your choice. After arranging these sectors, we will take the rest 2 individual sectors and arrange them at the sides. Like this. Now it's formed in a rectangle. So as you can observe, the area of the rectangle is same as the area of a circle. The length of the rectangle will be the circumference of half circle. So the formula will be half into 2 pi r is equal to pi r, and the breadth will be the radius of the circle. So therefore the area of rectangle is equal to L into B. The length was pi r and the breadth was r, which is equal to pi r square. And as you all know, the area of the circle is also pi r square. So therefore area of rectangle is equal to area of the circle. So that's all for this video. I hope it will help you understand nicely. Thank you for listening to me so patiently and have a nice day ahead.